Hey family, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if it's your first time here, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. In this video, I'm going to be giving you an update of ETV Scandal welcomes a new cast member, Khujjo Green, as Poet's mother. Exciting news for Scandal fans. The popular ETV soapie has introduced a new character, Kidiboni Tuwela, played by talented actress Khujjo Green. The announcement was made on Scandal's official Instagram page, and viewers are eager to see what her arrival means for the storyline. Jo Green is stepping into a role of Kidiboni, the mother of Poet. Her entry into the show is expected to bring new drama, emotions, and surprises. According to the post, Kidiboni will be faced with the reality that children are growing up and making life-changing decisions. The caption hits at the storyline where she has to deal with the young people getting married. How she handled these changes will be an interesting journey for viewers to follow. Fans of Scandal have expressed excitement about Khujjo Green joining the cast. Known for her strong screen presence and ability to bring character to life, she is expected to make a big impact on that show. Edition of Kidiboni Tuwela, Scandal continues to deliver fresh storylines and captivating performances. Viewers can expect drama, emotions, and unforgettable moments as the characters settle into Scandal universe. Stay tuned to see how Kidiboni's journey unfold and how she navigate the challenges ahead. Thank you very much for watching. That was all. Until we meet in the next video.